Good morning and welcome to Maui. Yes, we are on a waterfall hike today in the bamboo forest on the road to Hana. We are going to take about an hour to find it, and we got 4 of them to go through, so let's start traveling.
And I've got that wildfire, and I've got that wildfire, hey.
Alright, we are past the second and moving on to the third waterfall. And the best part about this is most likely the rope swing, which a lot of people like to use. The sketchy ladder up to the 4th waterfall, which is probably another 20 minutes after this next part. Let's go see what we can get into on the rope swing. Third waterfall, let's go check it out. You sure you want to do this? You ready? All right. Go.
Looks good. Yep. Go ahead.
My heart's scared now. All right. Whew. That didn't go well. Alright guys, so that first jump didn't go too well. First 3 waterfalls are done, pretty easy. But now we gotta get to the last one, which is gonna require the sketchy ass ladder climb. So let's get to it, and then maybe we'll come back for a redemption on the swing.
Let's go look over the edge.
It's always important to stay hydrated, so drink up.
I think you're supposed to drink the water.
Oh. Drink it? Got some real variable conditions here. Be prepared to hike if you ever plan to come out to the rainforest. This is mile marker 6.5, And it is a beauty of a place.
Look at all those strawberry blossoms.
So just continue hiking up this riverbed. We'll find a good place to go swim. Alright guys, we made it to the final road to the waterfall, number 4. And this is a mandatory swim. It's kind of end of the road. Really nowhere else to go. So we'll have to take the GoPro and hop in. Alright team, we made it to the last waterfall. All we're going to have time for, and we will see you soon.